Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing an unboxing for Nature's Beauty box. Now, to be completely honest, I'm not sure if this is the August box or the September box, as I won this in a giveaway and I couldn't really tell off of their Instagram, and I got it sent in a window where the September one hadn't released yet, but at the same time they were posting products from the September. I don't know. But I just want to go in and just kind of describe the box a little bit and just show you guys what I got. So Nature's Beauty Box is a clean beauty subscription service where they basically give you 4 to 5 products, sample products that you can choose. So the beauty box delivers about 4 to 5 clean beauty products that come to your door each month, and their goal is to help you discover new clean beauty from either well-established brands or brands that are just up and coming. It's $15 a month. It bills on the 1st, ships on the 15th. They have other plans too with the frequency, so there's that option as well. Again, I'll have the links to everything in the description box below, but yeah, they focus on being on showing brands that are non-toxic, cruelty-free, plant-based, all that good stuff I'm highly interested in. So we're just going to jump right into this box. August or September, I don't remember, I don't know which one it is, so we're just gonna go with it. Open it up. Another thing, when they send you the items, you get a coupon to their actual store. So some of the stuff that they sell, you get a coupon for. Then they give you little cards that have information about the brands that are in here, and 9 times out of 10 they will have a coupon code. So if you want to go to the full site, the regular site, and purchase directly from the brands, you have some codes. So I'm just going to do a quick run through what's in here and what I'm most excited to try. So from Second Kind Beauty, this is their Black Obsidian Charcoal Facial Scrub. This is a 1 ounce. It has charcoal, tea tree, sugar, vitamin E oil, just a lot of goodies. This next product is from Untitled Organics. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is their pink hydrating 3-in-1 cleansing grains. It contains French red clay, canola clay, oats, and banana extract. This is like their little sample of 10 grams. It's a cleansing exfoliator, so I guess kind of like how Dermalogica has like their cleansing grains. I guess that's kind of what this is, except a cleaner version of it. Next we have Wildflower Eye Brighten Serum with Squalene, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, cypress essential oil, frankincense, and blue tansy. I love blue tansy, so I'm excited for that one. We also have PT Pure Organics Sugar Body Scrub and coconut oil, sugar, olive oil, shea butter, and lemon oil. From Indie Goat, we have the No. 4 conditioning bar. I'm going to assume it's just like a facial or body bar. I'll have to look a little bit more into that and see. And then they also sent a few samples of their balancing facial oils, No. 1, 2, and 3. I'm not sure what each one does. There was actually no card in here for those, but balancing facial oils, I mean, yeah, so different formulas to kind of figure out what you like. So I'm excited for the Black Obsidian because I just love that. I love Black Obsidian. I just love the name and I just love what it is. So I'm excited for that. The eye serum because I perpetually have just deep lines and just puffy eyes. So anything I can use to kind of help at least reduce the inflammation or just the puffiness underneath, I'm all for. Plus I love blue tansy, so there's that. I've been in the market for a new body scrub. I'll probably just use it for my hands though, because they look a little rough. My nails will look a little rough, but yeah. So yeah, that's essentially it. I will leave the link to the website in the description box below. Thank you again, Nature Beauty Box, for sending me this stuff. Again, I won it in one of their giveaways off of Instagram. Yeah, any other pertinent information I'll leave down below. Again, it's $15 a month. You can adjust to how often you want it sent. pay month to month, or you can do like a payment up front. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video enjoyable. I just love unboxings. Like, yeah. I'm the same way. I just love watching unboxing videos. I don't know if that's like what you guys like on my channel, but if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!